Good morning, everyone. I just want to do a quick unboxing. Although I got this about an hour ago, delivered to my house, and just excitedly went and grabbed it because I've had a difficulty with a certain carrier losing my package. Hopefully, that other package arrives this time. But anyway, so I have a pair of footwear. It's not really luxury, but it's really super nice, and I've seen it on someone else a week ago, and I'm like, I have to grab a pair of those because I'm sure they're comfortable and they look really cool, and there's different color combinations. So let me give you, oops, let's see, where do I unbox this? Yes, so let's go ahead and pull it. It's a pair of sneakers, Nikes, and it's the Air Force One line. Let's see. Oh, there they are. Look how cutie these are. Aren't these cute? Nah, there's like 5 different color combinations. This was actually my third favorite. My first 2 didn't have my size anymore. All they had were the big sizes. That's how popular. Platform. These are part leather, part synthetic material, but I love it. This will be great for work. I mean, you know, I have to kind of wear conservative uniform for work, but I don't care. But you know, they're not gonna tell me not to wear comfortable shoes. So even though these are maybe too loud, but I don't care. These are comfortable. I'm always on my feet, and these will work out. So I just want to show you that. Check out the website. They might have your pair, but all they had were the bigger sizes in the first 2 that I wanted. And of course, they have plain colors, we should say solid colors, and different combinations. I think this line, along with the other one, other models, you can actually customize your own design. You know, colors, materials. There's even one where this part here was plaid, or I guess tweed. So yeah, these are it's 7.5. And it's nice because it'll give me the extra height that I need. So here you are. These are the Nike Air Force One. And let me show you sorry, there's a glare from my window. There you go. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.